Hello lovelies, welcome back again to another video. So in today's video we'll be doing a simple and the best condensed milk toffee. Let's get right into the video. So we have a half cup of condensed milk, half cup of evaporated milk, a nut milk, our cooking oil, and margarine or butter. In a pan, add in your condensed milk, your evaporated milk, half tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Set the fire on low heat and continue to stir until everything begins to thicken up. As you can see, everything is coming together nicely. If you want your toffee to be too hard, you can leave it on fire for it to become brown a little bit. But if you don't want that and you want that soft toffee that you can chew, then this is the best consistency that we're looking for. We don't want it too hard. So I'll then go ahead and test it in water to see if it's okay. Let it cool for at least 1 minute so that you don't hurt yourself, and mold it the sizes that you want it. Thank you for watching today's video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share, and turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you.